Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry we haven't put a video up in a while. We've just been pretty busy, just going through life. But it's alright. We've made a move on the car. We've documented everything that we have done so far, which isn't all so much, but yeah, like I said, we just don't really have the time at the moment. We are trying our best, but we have put together a quick compilation of what has been done so far. So basically we just started off with a quick service on the car, just oil, spark plugs, um, did the coolant, flushed the radiator, um, which unfortunately went down the driveway anyway because there was a leak in the coolant line to the turbo, which we had to replace. So yeah, just wasted 30 bucks on coolant for nothing. Also, we ran into another problem of the fuel line, like from the fuel filter. It was really brittle. Fortunately, it just split, and yeah, fuel just started pissing out everywhere. So we had to get a replacement for that too. Easy fix, just no time to run around it. And yeah, so since then also I've also sold the front end on the car. So as you probably remember, it was S13 front end. Obviously going back to a 180, but not a stock here or anything. So what we have done is I've ordered a kit straight from Japan, thanks to Import Monkey. So shout out to Barden. He's personally sourced that for us, and yeah, it's on its way from Japan, which is pretty exciting. So once that comes, we'll get the kit fitted, car painted. Also picked up other little bits and pieces on the car too, so just little accessory things. Got some wheels that I've got to get, and probably do a bit of the motor work too. So a retune, maybe add a bit of bits and pieces here. Had a look under the rocker cover, its cams and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, not too much for the video today. Just a quick recap and update on where we are with it. So yeah, hopefully bring out another video for you guys soon, and till then we'll see you guys soon. Oh, and if you want to keep updated with us, just follow us on Instagram. We do a bit more posts on there too. So anyway, see you guys around.